Hi everyone. Step into a captivating fusion of history and innovation as Bündnerbike presents Old Copperboy, a breathtaking transformation of the classic Softail Slim S model into a mesmerizing tribute to the past. Greeting you with a mighty homage to the bygone era, this rendition defies the notion that everything before was better. Rather, it ingeniously takes inspiration from the past, infusing it with a new, unparalleled uniqueness that captivates the senses and leaves an indelible mark. The Softail Slim S, itself a nod to the iconic bobber style born from military heritage post-war, now undergoes a metamorphosis like no other. It breathes life into the classic bobber style, reshaping its contours with an audacious contemporary flair. Witness the stretched frame, the iconic Springer front fork, and the captivating Old Scul handlebars, each element meticulously crafted to honor the essence of the vintage bobber aesthetic. However, it's the remarkable deviations that set this slightly different bobber apart, elevating it into a realm of its own. Behold the newly spoked wheels, resplendent in their lustrous copper hue, seamlessly complementing the curved running boards and the adjustable Jekyll and Mr. Hyde exhaust system. A specially crafted manifold adds an unmatched touch, rendering an auditory symphony that's as exhilarating as the visual spectacle. But the pièce de resistance? That would undoubtedly be the Old Scul rear panel, elegantly integrated with a leather saddle, beckoning you to explore the intersection of history and modernity. Prepare to be transported on a journey where heritage meets innovation, where every detail, from the expertly designed wheels to the bespoke exhaust system, weaves a narrative that celebrates tradition while pushing the boundaries of imagination. Join us as Old Copperboy beckons you to embrace the legacy of the past, redefined for the modern enthusiast. It's not just a bike, it's a story waiting to be unraveled, an embodiment of craftsmanship, innovation, and reverence for the timeless allure of heritage. Thanks for watching.